YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Friday. What's up, guys? I'm sorry I did not film yesterday. If you guys follow me on my social media platforms, you guys know what's going on right now. But Meme is doing a lot better, so thank you so much for your prayers and concerns. And right now, we're about to get into a collab with one of my favorite subscribers, Miss Beauty with Renee. So definitely check out her channel. She's amazing. She has the most sweetest personality, the biggest heart, and she is so silly. So definitely check her out. I will leave her link in the description box below. But before we get into this wonderful collaboration today, if you guys are new to the YouTube channel and from Beauty from Renee channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, 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 ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I do giveaways on this channel, and right now I have a Bloodlust Jeffree Star giveaway going on. Additional with that, some extra Jeffree Star goodies I'm throwing in. So definitely check it out. It is a collaboration with me and Maturely Glam. So you get 2 chances to win. Check out her channel and go ahead and comment down below what is her dog's name. And comment down below on my video. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it. And comment down below why you feel you deserve the Bloodlust palette. Okay, let's get into this collaboration. Okay, so today we are doing the Colourpop Frozen palette. I've never done this before. This was all Beauty with Renee's idea, and I'm so excited to see what looks she's doing, what looks I'm gonna do. I have no idea. So Colourpop, if you guys know, that is like one of my favorite makeup brands. I love it. It's so affordable. And then look at this right here. This is such a beautiful palette. So again, I've never used this before. I believe this retails for $14.99, but I got it on sale for $9.99. So always just check. I will leave the link to this in the description box below as well if you would like to buy this. So let's get in. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in real quick right here. And I'm trying to decide. I really want to use every color. I've never really done that before. So let me get my brush. What brush we're gonna work with today. Okay, so we're gonna get my handy dandy brush right here. I'm using the Morphe E17. Guys, you got to check out Beauty with Renee. You guys know my Sweetie Squad, I do not steer y'all wrong. We have a lot of collaborations coming up with a lot of YouTubers. And remember, there's no small channels. It's just upcoming. Okay, so share the love and subscribe to my girl. All right, so we're going to start out with a base color, which we're going to use this color right here, Fire. And we're going to put that into the crease, basically a transition color. And just so you guys know, I went ahead and primed my eyes already. I used my Maybelline Age Wine Concealer. It is amazing. Ooh, I like that color. Very good payoff in pigment. A little bit of kickback and fallout, but that's to be expected. And we're going in right here. By the way, guys, I have a question for y'all. My eyebrow came in, my eyebrow tool. So do y'all want to see me do it on my best friend? Y'all keep on asking me to bring her to the channel. So comment down below. Y'all want to see the bestie? We're going to do her eyebrows on camera. That way, if I mess up, it's for your pleasure. Okay. So I love putting a little glitter in my crease. You guys know that. So let's just darken this a little bit more. I can't wait to see what colors Beauty with Renee uses. Maybe she's going to use the whole palette. I'm not exactly sure if she's even used this palette before. But I really like this palette. Okay, so we're gonna put in, the next color is gonna be Northern Lights. And as you guys can tell, I've gotten a lot better doing tutorials. I'm actually really loving it. Oh, I like that. That is so pretty. And a lot of you guys don't like to use glitter in your crease, but I don't mind it. I actually think that it widens your eyes a little bit. And if you guys remember, I have hooded eyes. So, ooh, I'm loving this color. Okay, so we want to make it a little bit darker. So let's use this one down here, Awkward, and let's deepen that corner. Okay, now I'm not bringing it all the way in. I'm just going to stop in the middle because I just want to work on the outer corner. Oh, I love that. I feel like Jeffree Star right now. Let's look at her. Oh, we like her. Okay. Also, guys, you can follow Beauty with Renee on her social media platform, Beauty with Renee. And you guys can follow your girl at Samantha Sweets 100, my Facebook, Samantha Sweets, and TikTok, follow your girl at Samantha Sweets 100 for a good laugh. I'm working about getting my Twitter going, but not just yet. Okay, I want to take the colors, is this Spiritful? And I want to put this right here on the outer corner. Oh, that is so pretty. – And like I said, I'm not even going any further than right here to the end. Oh, I love that. I feel like Jeffree Star right now. Let's look at her. Oh, we like her. Okay, so I love this color. Oh, I love this color. Okay, so we're going to put in the next color is going to be Northern Lights. And as you guys can tell, I've gotten a lot better doing tutorials. I'm actually really loving it. A lot of you guys don't like to use glitter in your crease, but I don't mind it. I actually think that it widens your eyes a little bit. And if you guys remember, I have hooded eyes. So let's just start in the middle because I just want to work on the outer corner. and just blending in. Ooh, I like it. It does look really good. Ooh, I like that. Okay. And remember, this is a matte color. So normally you don't want to use a glitter on your outer corner, because then it's really going to fall out. And then when you try to go ahead and underline your bottom lash, you'll have the glitter going underneath as well. And it's just a big pain in the butt. Oh, I like that. Okay, I got to darken that just a little bit more. All right. Ooh, I love that so much. Okay, now I want to take that color and I want to put it on the bottom of my lid, because I want to connect. I'm just going to wet the brush a little bit with my Tarte Stay Spray Setting Spray. Most craziest name ever. And we're going back in with that color, Spiritful. Have you guys seen the movie Frozen? Because I have not. My bestie's been trying to get me to watch it for years, and I have not. And now number 2 has come out, and I still haven't seen the first. Oh, this is definitely a fall look we're going for, but that's okay. And remember, when you put it underneath your lid, in your waterline, it really opens your eyes. And I love it. It just all connects into one. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, for the top of the lid, I actually want to use ice crystals. This silver right here, I think this would be so beautiful all over the lid. So let's get a nice flat brush. Color off this one real quick. I'm going in with a Luxie 213 eye shading brush. Looks like this, and you want to wet it definitely to get the color payoff. Or you can use your finger, but I have nails, so you guys know when you have nails, you cannot do that. We're gonna go in right here with ice crystals. Okay. Not as bright as I thought it was gonna be. Oh, but I like it. It's subtle. Oh, that is very pretty. It's giving me like, oh, I like that. I like that a lot. I can't not wait to see how Beauty with Renee does hers. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna apply it to this lid over here. And guys, I have a Makeup with Jessica. Sorry guys, that's my goddaughter in the background. Okay. And we're just packing that all over the lid. And then we got to work on our inner corner. I really like this eye better. It's always going to be one eye better than the other. I hate it. If you guys do not know, everyone has not the same shape of eye. Okay. Let's work on this real quick. Keeping that real quick right here. We're at 7 minutes. I should have done a timing challenge. But I'm not done, because y'all know whenever there's glitter around, I've got to use it. Okay, so using that silver, I definitely lost a little bit of that payoff on the outer corner. So we're going to go back in real quick with Spiteful, darken that up, and then blend it in. That is so pretty. Does it match what I'm wearing today? That's okay. Okay, we're blending back in with that silver right there. I love this eye better than this eye. Oh, I'm mad. Okay, whatever. I really like this palette though. And I know you guys have been asking a while to see a look with this palette, so do apologize. Okay, I'm just gonna wet the brush and go over with the silver one more time. And then we're gonna add the glitter on top, and then we shall be done. Ooh, I like that. In the middle of the inner corner, I like that silver. Ooh, okay. Okay, I like it now. Okay. Now, I'm going to take another flat brush. What brush am I using? And we're going to apply those ice crystals on just the middle of the eye. One thing I love about Colourpop's crystals is that, whew, there's so much. And we're not going all over, we're just going right here in the middle. And then blending it towards the middle. Ooh, and you might need glue with this, I'm not sure. Crystals are falling out like crazy. Remember, I've never used this palette before. I used the Lovebird palette, and I love their crystals in it. So that's why I thought it'd be the same formula. But it does not look. I really like this though. But I want to take, real quick, one more color. I want to take Cuddle Close. Take Cuddle Close, and I want to use that for the inner corner, and then we'll be done. Where is my brush? I am taking, is this the brush? Yeah. I'm taking a e.l.f. crease brush, and this is my precision brush. I use it all the time when I'm adding things into my inner corner, and you want to definitely wet it to make that inner corner really pop. So we're gonna go in with Cuddle. Oh, it's iridescent. Oh, we love. And we're gonna pop it in. And one thing that one of my subscribers taught me is that don't stop at just the middle. Bring it on down. Bring it on down. You know, that's how you do. So bring it over here and under. Really opens the eyes. It really opens your eyes. Especially, like I said, if who has crease eyes. This is really not trying to get on the brush, though. I don't like that. This one came, but this one don't want to. Maybe it's a different formula. Okay, there it goes. Okay, and now all we have to do is highlight our brow bone. So let's go in with my Lamora Tapered Blending. This is one of my favorite brand brushes. You can get these on Amazon.com or eBay for $12, and you get a 5-pack. Oh, I love that color. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You guys, you can use this as a highlight as well. That is so pretty. And there you have it. So that was my Frozen. I did say I was going to use every color, so I truly do apologize. The only color I did not use was water, because it wouldn't have gone. Gale, that is a very pretty color though. And is that Awkward? Awakened. Those are the only 3 colors I didn't use. Other than that, I used the entire palette. I really like this palette, guys. I love the look I came up with. Comment down below, do you guys like this look? Comment down below, did you do the look with me if you have this palette? And yeah, let me know. Make sure you guys subscribe to Beauty with Renee. Definitely check out her channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like collabs. And make sure you shoot her over and give her a thumbs up as well. I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. As always, stay beautiful. Stay blessed. I'm your girl, Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.